And because of the unstructured nature of language, it's easier to target certain systems.
Interesting you say that. If I put my hacker hat on from many, many moons ago, one of the things that was true was that to be an effective phone freak, which were the original hackers, you had to have a very deep technical understanding. You had to be a skilled developer. You need to understand systems and engineering. You need to understand signals intelligence. And then came the rise of what we call the script babies, who could just
Mhm.
run a piece of code that they didn't write and don't understand to get an outcome. And what I'm hearing from you now is the script babies are going to look like code masters by comparison to some of the LLM tools that some of these criminals will have access to.
Yeah, it's precisely using a technique called prompt injection, just like use the capabilities of language to override certain security systems that's in place.